Welcome to the WPRentals channel. Today we're introducing WPRentals Studio, the ultimate tool to create fully customized booking websites. Build templates with Elementor free for properties, blogs, categories, owners, headers and footers quickly and easily. With WPRentals Studio, you can create custom templates for specific page types or categories using Elementor free, no extra cost for you and no coding required. Our team has already built professionally designed templates to help you get started. You can use them as is or make simple visual changes to match your style. More than that, every template from our demos, like Honolulu demos, can be imported into any WPRentals site via the new Studio template system. This means you can get the design you love with just one click and then modify it however you want. WPRentals team comes with 5 professionally designed default layouts for single property pages. Using the Layout Manager, you can choose which sections to show or hide and control their order to keep your listings organized. We also have built-in controls for the overview content, listing text disclaimer, similar listings, and the listing page sidebar ready to use right out of the box. If you want more flexibility, head to WPRentals Studio in WP to create a custom property template. Once the template is published, you can also assign it to all properties or specific categories. And with Elementor free version and the 41 available widgets for WPRentals, you can visually design a completely custom property page, rearranging sections, adding new content, and tailoring the page exactly how you want, all without touching a single line of code. WPRentals includes a ready-made design for the owner page, where details are hidden when not logged in and visible when user has a booking confirmed with the owner. This design and page is ready to use out of the box for users who register as owner and no setup is needed. For a more advanced or personalized design, you can create a custom owner template in WPRentals Studio. You can start from scratch or import the professionally designed layout from the Honolulu demo and adjust it as you wish. 8 dedicated widgets for owner templates. You can customize every detail from the profile layout to the listing section, all visually using Elementor free and WPRentals Studio. In WPRentals, category pages come with ready-use layout, standard and half map. You can customize the layout behavior directly from team options. You can adjust the map position, you can change the hero media, and you control how listings display. For clients who want something truly unique, WPRentals Studio takes this further. You can build custom designs for any property category, from cities, areas, to rental types, features and amenities, or status. Every category can have its own custom template, giving you full creative freedom while keeping things easy to manage. WPRentals Studio also includes a ready-made category template from the Honolulu demo. With just one click, you can import this professional design and use it instantly on your own website. Then customize it visually in Elementor to match your brand, no coding required. There are 14 widgets available to create a custom category template and Elementor free. This new feature adds more flexibility than ever before because now each category can include a full text editor description, so you can add formatted text, links, images, icons, and even videos. For each category, you can add a featured image and an image gallery. You can also attach PDF documents that users can download when viewing the page. Category templates also support interactive maps, and you can upload GeoJSON files to visually define areas. You can add custom fields to each of your categories and then you can use them across specific groups. You can use them to display details like region, info, rental policies, or extra highlight. For single blog posts, WPRentals already includes a clean model design that is ready to use out of the box. But if you wish a different layout or more branded design, you can create your own custom template with WPRentals Studio. In this system, you can create a custom blog post template for all posts or specific categories and text. Build your layout visually in Elementor with the dedicated WPRentals widgets, no coding required. If you prefer a quick start, simply import the professionally designed Honolulu demo template and customize it as you like. For headers and footers, WPRentals comes with ready-to-use header and footer designs that you can customize from team options, from logos to footer layout, widget areas, header appearance, and more. If you need more options for your design, then WPRentals Studio gives you full control over your site's header and footer. You can assign a custom header or footer to specific pages, categories, categories or exclude it where you need it. And using Elementor as a free editor, you can drag and drop any of the 9 available theme widgets to create a fully unique design. You can create headers or footers with your preferred layout and color. All pre-built demos, headers and footers are also available in WPRentals Studio for one-click demo import, ready to customize and use instantly. In conclusion, with WPRentals Studio, you have everything you need to create a professional, fully branded booking website, whether you use our ready-made designs or craft custom templates from scratch. Every page type can be tailored visually with Elementor Free and our specialized widgets without touching a single line of code. So get ready to build your professional rentals websites with WPRentals team, fast, flexible, and ready to impress. Thank you for watching.